Hi everybody, today's video is about compost. In this picture you'll see elements of compost, which are browns, which is cardboard. I use shredded. The greens are things like vegetables. Sometimes I do things from my garden. Once I pull up vegetables in my garden that's not diseased. And then there's soil, and I have added red wigglers to help break it down. So I hope this video is very useful to you, and enjoy. Here's a very useful infographic I got from foodrevolution.org on Pinterest. And it's a list of your browns and your greens that you can use for composting. So pause the video to get this list. Hey y'all, I want to talk a little bit today about composting. This is my compost bin, which I created out of an old recycle bin. And I drilled holes. Can you see that hole? Yeah, I drill holes all through for ventilation, and I put only vegetable things in my compost. What you see on top is what was left over from me pruning my tomatoes. And you see some of my cabbage from yesterday. Also, you'll see these brown chips mixed in. That's cardboard. That's shredded cardboard. That is for carbon. You need greens, and then you need the paper for carbon. You can see the cardboard shreds right there. And you can see the little worm. I don't know if you can see him, but they play dead a lot until you move them. But the worms help eat through the compost, and they leave worm castings, which is very good for the garden. So the way I use my compost is I make compost tea. And what I do is I take some of the oldest broken down compost, and for one bucket like that, I might use maybe about 2 scoops of this. And then I just add water to it. So when I get this full, I'll come back. Okay, so I have my tea mixed up. You can see it's really dark, and it's all dissolved, and this is just a nutrient-rich solution from compost. So I use this cup. It's a 1 liter cup, and this is how I measure how I water my tomato plants. It's best to water them deeply, maybe once a week, than trying to water them every day. So this is the best way that I make sure they're getting enough water, and I just pour it down in my containers, and that's it, guys. That is how I'm feeding my tomato plants with this compost tea. And it's quicker than just standing there with a sprayer. I'm making sure that it's getting down to the roots, and this compost is really rich in nutrients, and it's free. So I have another video about shredding cardboard for your compost, and that's it. So when you're in the urban environment, you don't have chickens and you don't have rabbits. For the most part, most of us don't, and we can't make a whole bunch of compost that way. But the amount that we can make, we're able to use it more directly than trying to spread it over an entire bed. Okay, I hope this was helpful. Post down in the comments if you have any questions about how to start composting. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. So disrespectful to garbage man driving by while I'm trying to do a video. But like, share, and subscribe to my channel. My mission is to show people in urban settings how to grow, cook, and preserve food. Thanks for watching. Bye.